Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a video on basically cabin crew look. So we're going to go through the products I'm going to be using. So I'm also going to do the bun hairstyle for the cabin crew look as well. And then we're going to use a kind of bright plum lipstick at the end. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy the video, and let's get started. So for the product number one, we're going to obviously use moisturiser. So I've got OLAY Double Action Moisturiser. It comes in a night cream and also day cream. And next, I'm actually not going to use concealer today, so we're just going to go straight into the foundation. So you've got your brush here, which you can get from Boots or any online stores. It's a really, really good brush. Number 7 foundation. You want to put just 3 dollops on there. So next we are going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow eyebrow pencil. The reason why I've chosen this one is because it's a really natural eyebrow pencil. And it just creates a really natural eyebrow. Okay, so next we are going to use an eyeshadow. So today I've got my nude L'Oreal palette. It's a nude collection. You can get loads of nude palettes in any makeup stores. Looks like that, just for you to have a quick look. I do like my bronze colours, and I think they also help to really bring out your eyes. And we're not going to use any eyeliner today, so this will really create a natural look with a bright lipstick as well. And it just really helps to bring out your eyes as well. So next we're going to put on mascara. So now we've done the eyelashes, we're now going to do highlighter, because you know that I love my highlighter. So we've got the Shimmer Squad by Lottie. But to begin with, we're going to use the Naked highlighter first. So you just put it on your cheeks, down your nose, and you can use the back of your sponge applicator just to blend it in. Okay, so over the top of that highlighter we are going to use the Lottie one, and just get a powder brush, that's absolutely fine, or a blending brush, and we're going to go for the Queen Bee today, so down at the bottom. So it really helps to highlight. Okay, so next, the NYX Contour Duo Palette. Just want to get a little bit. So next we're going to add on my favourite bit, which is the lipstick. This is by Bourjois and it is a velvet lipstick, Velvet number 10, and it goes to matte as well, and it's literally amazing. So it looks like this and the colour is just literally incredible. I absolutely love it. It's literally the most amazing lipstick and it just brings the look together. And because the colour is quite bright, you can go for really natural makeup, maybe add in like a bronze or nude eyeshadow, and it will literally just bring your look completely together. So it's definitely an amazing lipstick. So now we are going to do the final bit of the video, which is the bun look. So you're going to need one hairband to begin with. Right. You're going to want to separate your hair a little bit to have a kind of side parting, because we're going to do a side fringe. And you're going to want it to be slightly to the side. We're going to hairspray it afterwards, so all the wispy bits will go. Okay, so then we're going to get, you're going to need one of these. Put it into your hair. Pull it through to create like a ponytail. And then you're going to bring it over. You're going to get your second hairband. You're going to get your second hairband. And you just pull it over, ensuring that all the bun is completely covered. And then you just want to tuck it in. And then you're going to get another hairband. So it looks completely neat at the back. I like to have it quite loose, so you can have a little bit hanging down or tucked in, whichever you'd like. So we're going to get our pretty hairband now, a velvet one, and just wrap it over. Which does make it look quite pretty. Okay, so that is the bun look. The final thing you want to do is you want to get maybe a little bit of oil just to add some shine. I use my trusty kukui oil. And next you want to get some hairspray.